Welcome back. I think we all know what that sound is. They are the tailgate bars. I received a special package from LS Fabrication to get rid of those noisy bars. We got some tailgate cables and we're gonna get these installed to get rid of that irritating rattle. First things first, let's take these brackets off and get these bars off. You're going to want to grind or drill these rivets out, holding this bar on because we need this bracket. I cleaned up the bracket, applied some new paint so it looks a little better. Now you take the shoulder bolt with the washer and the nut, put some Loctite on the shoulder bolt, snug it down, and you're ready to reinstall. I cleaned up in behind these brackets on this bed side as well, both sides. Now we will get this bolted back up and all reinstalled. Just lift up your tailgate, slide your cable on. Once again, massive shout out to LS Fab for sending those cables out to us. Very simple and easy upgrade and should take a lot of rattling out of the tailgate. Also, they sent us some stickers, air freshener, and drink koozie. So thank you very much for that, dude. I appreciate it. If you want a set of those cables, head on over to their website and grab a set for yourself. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day. Peace.